guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Articulary, where we talk about eco-friendly home decor tips and tricks and ideas and so much more. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about amazing ideas to make your home look more luxurious on this upcoming holidays. You could incorporate them in your party, in your events, in your occasions, in your Christmas, in your Thanksgiving, in your New Year parties and events and all that. So let's dive in. Before consider clicking the like button. I do really appreciate that if you do so. Consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever we upload new videos, you'll be get notified about it. Let's talk about amazing ideas to decorate your home. Before that, you could also check our website. There's a www.articulary.com where we have eco-friendly art printables which you can download it, can take a print out of it and hang on your wall. Art posters, frame art prints, a lot more is there on our website. The link is in description box below. You can simply head over to that and you could check our website. And let's talk about luxurious ideas to make your home more look luxurious on budget. The first idea that I have for you is fresh flowers, fresh red, or you could also call as leaves. They have the power. Now, if you're going with the highly expensive flowers, it would cost you more money, but if you're going with the natural flowers that are just costing you a few bucks, you could very well decorate your home and room. Don't think that fresh flowers are kind of like an old traditional or something like that. No, people still do that. It will going to make your home look more luxurious, and you could have a theme around it. If you have a kind of like a theme for the Christmas, the red and green or something like that, you could have a flowers colors according to that and you could decorate according to that. You could also have a red. Red looks pretty beautiful, not just on the door. You could hang it on the wall. You could place it in your living room, in your kitchen, in your dining room, and you could have a kind of like a thing with a bell or with the buntings with that, and you could decorate with that. Flowers do have a power, so consider that. And fresh flowers are eco-friendly as well. You're not going with the plastic based or nylon based flowers. You're going with the fresh flowers. You can renovate something with that. You could also use the dried flowers because dried flowers are pretty well, and you could also get them and you could spray something kind of like a perfume with that so that it will going to give you good smell, and you could place that. So that is the first thing. The second thing that you could do is having the theme or having a kind of like a color theme around your home and room. Now you would be thinking, if I want to go with the color theme, then obviously I need to have a color palette and that would be a little bit expensive. No, you don't need to change your color palette. The color palette that you already have in your home and room remains to be the same. For example, if you see at the back, I have a color palette that's kind of a light blue or kind of like a pastel blue. It's kind of like a minimalistic style, but I would incorporate this kind of light color with the maybe a silver, maybe a golden theme, maybe a red theme, maybe a dark green, maybe a black theme. I could incorporate that. So you could mix the two different type of colors or two or three colors together and can create a theme around it and can decorate according to it. This could be an amazing idea to make your home look more luxurious. You don't need to buy those expensive products or expensive home decor items. You just need to shift your perspective regarding with what the type of color palette that you already have, and then you could choose one or two colors complementary to that color and you could introduce those colors in your home and room decor. These could be simple white as well, white and blue, white and red, white and green, or maybe golden with black, silver with black, or maybe pastel colors with the golden, with the silver, with the red, with the green. So these could be different various varieties of that. It could be really on a budget. You just need to be creative and open to the new ideas. Look for the colors that you already have in your home. Look for the bedsheet covers, look for the rugs cover, the furniture cover, or the different home decor items that you have already in your room. Look for the colors they have. Do you find some theme or some kind of like color theme that is matching all across these home decor items? If that's so, then choose that color and try to do more of it, and it will naturally going to make your home look more luxurious, because theme items and kind of like a color items look more interesting and more related to that. The tip that I have for you is having a curtains. If you don't have a curtains, then you could obviously get some curtains. A highly budget, you don't need to go with expensive cloth or expensive material, expensive colors or something like that. No, you could have a simply white colored themes curtains as well, or you could simply have the golden colored or red color, whatever color theme you are choosing for your home and room decor. You could pick up with curtains and you could decorate it, because curtains look very amazing. After you get the curtains, you could just wrap around that and you just hang them like big from the wall. It will naturally going to give it room ceiling more high look and also more luxurious look, because curtains do look pretty amazing. And if you're having a windows, that you are getting the amazing sun rays into that window, then hang your curtains into that and allow the sun rays to pass through your curtains onto your wall. It will going to look so beautiful, so amazing, and also giving a more luxurious, more fresh look, more innovative look. These are some ideas that you could incorporate to make your home look more luxurious on budget. You don't need to go with the expensive ones. You could buy the cheap one as well, and you just need to be creative and open and do the experiment and all. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Do you want more such video? Consider subscribing if you want. So thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.